Today's the last day of our vacation, and I have to tell you this, guys. I had the best vacation ever. This is the vacation of all vacations. And it's not because of anything you may think, not because of the location, not because of the money spent or things we did, none of the above. That's not the reason why. This vacation is the best because, and I took notes of this because I believe this video will help someone. I took down several different steps, and I want you to listen to this, right? Check it out. Step one. You got to have a game plan before you leave home. Do not leave home and don't have a plan for vacationing. If you don't have a plan, when you get to your destination and try to get one or put one in place, you're not going to do it. It's going to wear you out. You're not going to have any order. You're going to be all over the place and you will not enjoy your vacation. All right. Step two. The reason why you want to have a game plan is because you want to pack according to your plans. For example, I knew that I planned to do nothing. So when I was home, based on my planning, I packed according to that. In other words, I said, Enrique, when you go on vacation, you're going to work out. You're going to the pool. You're going to the beach. That's it. So guess what, guys? I packed workout gear. I packed gear for the pool. I packed gear for the beach. Check it out. That means that my suitcase wasn't heavy. That means that I didn't have any stress toting this thing to the airport. It also means that when I went to the counter to check my bag, I saved some money. Why? Because I did not pack heavy. How many times have you gone on vacation and you packed 20 outfits and then you packed 20 shoes? Because you know if you pack 20 outfits, you got to have a shoe to match every outfit, right? I mean, seriously. But what I noticed is in the past when I packed heavy, look, I never wore all of that stuff anyway. I stayed by the pool. I stayed at the beach. So there was no need to have all of that stuff. And I always said, man, why you pack all this clothes? It didn't make any sense. So it would save you money. It would be less stressful. And it makes sense not to pack all of that stuff anyway because you're not going to use all of that stuff. Step three, you got to pace yourself, all right? Do not try to do everything or see everything in one day. That's why planning before you leave is important. In other words, Monday, I knew that Monday after going to the gym and after eating breakfast and after going to the pool, I wanted to go to the aquarium. On Tuesday, I wanted to go to the zoo. I wanted to do this and do that. So see, once you pace yourself, then you really vacation because you got a structure. See, everything has to be in order. You got to have a structure. And as you have that structure, then you really start to vacation because everything has its set timing. Instead of trying to do everything. I want to go here. I want to go there. I want to do this. I want to do that. Yeah, you can do that. But when you get on that plane, you're going to feel as if you never vacationed to start with. Step four, you must get some me time in there. Separate yourself from your family. Separate yourself from your friends. Get alone to yourself, for yourself, by yourself, so that you can just breathe. Enjoy you, so that you can just hear yourself think, so that you can pray and get downloads and take notes and come up with a game plan or a strategy, how you're going to take your business and your life and your health to the next level. You got to have separation. So me time is very important. Step five. You must plan rest time. Rest is very important. Look, on this trip here, I planned 30 minutes to 1 hour naps. And I did that because I knew that after being up and doing all of these things, if I try to come back to the room, shower, and go again, I'll be tired. So I took 30-minute naps. 1 hour naps, and those power naps were just that, power naps. Man, I was energized. I was able to go and do this and do that. You know, when you marry, your wife wants to do different things and run all over the place, and I'm her bodyguard, so of course I'm not gonna let her go by herself. I was with her, and she can go. She can go. So my wife Trini can go. So those naps were needed so I could keep up with her. All right. So power naps are needed, guys. Okay. Step six. Take a break from social media, okay? Don't post your whole vacation. If you want to take pictures and do videos and stuff, that's fine. Post it after you get back. You could post some Drip a little bit, but don't overdo it. Why? Because you're going to spend your entire vacation on social media. You're not going to enjoy the air. You're not going to enjoy the atmosphere. You're not going to enjoy your family because people are going to be responding and you may be responding back. And if you're like me, okay, when someone shows me love by giving me a comment and responding, I respond back. Love is love. I love receiving love and I love giving it, okay? I love the love buttons that they have on social media. So when you show me love, I show you love. That's why taking a social media break or not posting as much is very important, all right? And now, step 7, you must be purpose in everything you do. When I was chewing my food, I chewed a little slower because I wanted to just take it all in, all the spices in the food. As I soaked in the sun, I was absorbing the sun. It really was. And I was in tune. I was like, God, thank you. So what I'm saying is to be purposed in absorbing it all is to be in tune. And being in tune, what it did for me was it really put me in a place of gratitude. I said thank you so many times. Lord, thank you for this trip. Thank you for this vacation with my family. Thank you for providing the monies, the means of doing this. Thank you that we can eat at this restaurant. Thank you for the ice cream. Thank you for the coffee. I just took it all in because you know what? A lot of times we don't really understand the power of gratitude. There are so many people in the world who cannot vacation. There's so many people in the world who has not ever gone to a vacation. So when you're able to do so, don't forget to take it all in, but connect with God in the process of it all because it is He who makes it all possible. I know that this vacation and any vacation or anything for that matter would not be if it wasn't for His grace and His mercy allowing us to just do what we do. And I'm so grateful for that, right? So hopefully these tips will help you. And this video will help you to really go on vacation and enjoy it. Because again, this was the first time that I really enjoyed being on vacation. So that's the reason why I did this video. And if this video inspires you, then I'm asking for you to share with your family and friends, okay? Look, God bless you guys, and thank you for allowing me some time to share with you. I appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of your day.